dance DJ.
Good day, Australia. Welcome to the garden world of my friend. So today, I'm going to share to you some ideas and designs of their landscaping that they have done in their backyard. It's beautiful. Okay. This is Madam Joella Cuella na nagsasabi, be good, be kind, be humble, and be beautiful.
Morning everyone. This morning I'm going to show you around to the garden of my friend. No? Okay, this is the backyard gardening, some bit of landscaping from which you can get an idea or styles of landscaping. Okay, welcome to the parfit. So during winter time they can entertain visitors in that area. So there's a parfit. If you can see that it's made of something like coming from a washing machine. No, that is a lover's chair or something, a couple's chair, with all surrounded with the white stones or the pebbles. Okay, so they have also a bit of landscaping. Okay, by the way, they have both bamboo. Okay, this bamboo thing in a Filipino furniture shop somewhere. So where they enhance their old fence. So it's a little bit of jars and landscaping in there. So they don't hire someone to do the landscaping, but the husband and wife, the couple, they're fond of doing it. So welcome to Little Garden. So here's a bit of tomato. Here's a bit of beetroot. So beetroot is growing well here in Australia. Okay, this is a bit of chili. And also they have also planted some eggplant because eggplant is expensive in here. And they have also lemongrass. So look at the poor lemongrass. It does not look like healthy lemongrass compared to the Philippines. You are lucky while you are in the Philippines because lemongrass grows very well. So the lemongrass will only grow here very well during summertime, but during winter and springtime, oh my God, it looks poor. Okay, and I have to tour you around again. So here we go. So that's a bit of, you can get an idea from this video. That's their garden. They have also a bit in here, and in a good day they can also entertain their visitors in their entertaining area, right? In a good day where they can also have a lunch in here or an early dinner. Okay, and this is what we call the apple tree. So the apple tree is starting to have its leaves again because look at it. Because during winter time, okay, their leaves will fall. Okay, so that's a good entertaining area, and I'm going to show you around to their house dog. No. Okay, because they have a dog named Choco, so there. Look at the dog. Look at the house dog. So it looks like also a real house. No? And this dog is lucky because he has a bed. No, so that bed looks like a bed of a human. Okay, he's a lucky dog. No? And welcome to the most awaited part of their landscaping. They have what we call the water features. Now in a landscaping, it says that it's a lucky thing when you have something water features outside, especially in front of your house. It gives lucky or luck, good luck. Okay, so welcome. So look at it. So do you have that? Okay, and a little bit of bridge. That area, and in here, look at the fish. So it's only the couple who made this one. They have a nice garden.
And of having the cactus, no? No, succulents, sorry to say, or cactus or succulents family. Look, very nice. That is kangaroo. This is the kangaroo plant. Okay, this is the calla lily. We have also the calla lily here. Calla lily here in Australia is it grows anywhere. And mind you, calla lilies here in Australia, it's not that expensive as in the Philippines. In the Philippines, it's just a flower to be used in the during weddings, most weddings. And when you have a calla lily during wedding time, that's already something like extravagant. But here in Australia, it's different. They use that one for funeral. Sorry to say, that's what I've learned. A little bit of ferns family, ferns. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Madam Joella Cruella. Thank you. This is Madam Joella Cruella. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.